Hey, what's up everyone? In this video I'll talk about how the 2020 have been and what I learned in 2020 and what are my future plans in 2021. So starting with my X-Mind. This is a mind mapping tool basically. So in 2020 basically I have figured out some points, what were the major things I learned and how did it go, and I'll go brief for each point, what were the things included in it, and then we go on the 2021 points, and which is the future plan basically. So this video will go a bit long, like for 10 minutes somewhere. So yeah, I'll start with my schedule here. So I am awake, it's almost 1 and 1:30 in the night. That is because I was blessed with a baby girl last year in July, and I am so happy to have her. And in the basically in the daytime I'm mostly with her, and sometime I do the work, but in the evening and late night I work. So yeah, let's start with the video now. Start with the first point. In 2020 I did a lot of codes in PHP that I'm doing for last 8 years, and I'm working on my own framework, that is RAD, basically Rapid Application Development Framework. So yeah, this was a major part I worked in 2020, and I improved the framework a lot, like it helped me a lot in my projects. So basically it's a wide scope framework. It covers e-commerce, it covers all the payment gateways, subscriptions, and a lot more. So it helps me to build things faster. So just like Laravel and stuff, I build my own because I don't like dependency much. So, and plus the additional modules that comes with the pre-built frameworks like Laravel, I just don't like them. So yeah, and the next point, that is mobile app development. In 2020, like January 2020, I learned PWA, and basically with Cordova and framework 7. So Cordova, as you know, is basically a PWA builder. Like it works like a compiler for the PWA projects. So yeah, it's good, and basically it gives you more access to the things like the native APIs. It gives some native APIs. So yeah, it's not totally as good as React Native or a purely native apps, but yeah, it was really good. I did couple of projects in PWA, and in 2020 it went really well. So with Cordova I used framework 7. So this is the UI framework I used, and it's just amazing. I have future plans to work in PWA in 2021 as well. So yeah, and the next point is browser security. So basically I'm working on Chromium browser, and I have my series started as well, which has the first video already uploaded 4 months ago. I have new videos to upload very soon, and I'm also going to do some trainings. Actually it's commercial trainings to learn about the Chromium projects. So yeah, in 2020 I did start with browser security, and even I was rewarded by Google in 2020. I'll share that news with you guys on January 19 or 20, because that version of Chrome with the bug I reported, that one is fixed in that stable version, so it will get released in on 19th. So I'll have a separate video about that on that day. Yeah. Okay, so the fourth point, I'll probably leaving bug bounty or bug hunting. So this is something I started like 6-7 years ago, but I'm going to leave it now because I am more interested in browser security now. The reason behind that is browser security impacts more people. What that means is, if there is a 0-day in browser, that means the entire world is affected. So I'm kind of moving towards more impactful things in you know in my journey. Yeah, so I'll probably leave bug hunting, yeah, and do more browser security in 2021. So in 2020 I learned Docker technology, and it was really good. I'll be exploring more in 2021. And after that we have server administration, and I learned a lot in 2020 about the server administration. At this moment I am managing more than 10 servers of different specs, like different operating systems. It includes CentOS, Linux, Cloud Linux, and yeah. So yeah, and after that I bought more hardware. So yeah, this was something that happened. I bought more hardware and technology. So it includes some gadgets like that helped me for the development, mobile development, like iPhone and the Mac Mini, and I bought a powerful system for Chromium rendering, Chromium compiling. So yeah, I bought a lot of technology and hardware in 2020. Yeah, and then there's one of the important part, that is fatherhood. Yeah, I'm really enjoying it, and as I said, it started in 2020, July 2020. So it's just amazing experience, and I'm learning a lot about it. Yeah. So yeah, let's next move to 2021. Let's open that map. Okay, we're closing this one. Yeah. Okay, so 2021 is here, and in 2021 I am starting more with mobile app development. Like, I'm going to learn React now, and then I'll move to React Native as well, and with that I'll be learning Flutter as well. So the reason behind that is I want to increase my scope. So basically, if we have more scope of the skills, that means you will never get out of the projects, the freelancing projects. So the more you increase your scope, you get more projects, but you must be passionate about whatever you are learning. So I'm really excited about React and React Native than Flutter. So in January I'll be learning these technologies, just like 2020 I learned the PWA and Framework 7 and stuff. So, and the next part is browser security. I'll be learning more about browser security, how the browsers are developed, how to edit the core of the browsers, or how to add our custom functions, stuff like that. And yeah, there's a lot more to explore in browser security. And basically, as I said, I am concerned about Chromium, so I'll be learning C++ because that is basically the base of the Chromium browser. And Chromium is open source, so yeah, I'll be looking deep into that by learning C++, how the code is managed, and start looking for security issues in that. Yeah. And then a regularly updated YouTube channel. So yeah, I already have a channel, a good number of subscribers, so I'm going to explore more about this. And maybe I'll be uploading a video weekly or maybe twice in a month. And I already started this thing with this video. Yeah, and I get a lot of comments about that I should be more often uploading the videos. Yeah, for this particular video, Chromium project research, I got many comments on different social channels that I should do more videos on this in this series. Yeah. Oh, okay. So next is more PHP. Yeah, I'm working, and I'll be working in PHP for next couple of years. And as the PHP 8 is out, I'm really excited about it, and I'll be developing my framework more. And take it to maybe extreme next level. It's currently on version 14, and I started building this framework like 2.5 years ago, and it's really worth. So yeah, I'll next is I'll be doing some few personal projects. Like this will be the public projects. I just want to do it if I get time for this. I have 2-3 ideas to build, because I'll have a hold on mobile app development. Then I'll be doing these projects for sure this year or maybe in 2022. So yeah, let's see if I do this. And yeah, increasing the source of earning. As I do freelancing a lot, I'll be looking forward to make more resources or sources to get more projects. I have couple of new websites that I'm going to take a look. And yeah, I'll be sharing my experience about these websites, how it goes, and if it's good for you guys to use them as well. Yeah, it is totally away from those standard Upwork and Freelancer. Yeah. And the next part is same as 2020, fatherhood. So yeah, I'm going to learn a lot about it, and I really enjoy it. It is just blissful to have a daughter. And yeah, I can't tell how beautiful it is to have a daughter. And she's like a living, a living bliss. Like when you pick her up, she's like, wow, a smiling face. It's just amazing. So yeah, I'm going to do that, and learn a lot about fatherhood. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. And I'll share my journey of 2021, as I said in this point, on YouTube. Apart from this, I'll be doing my regular stuff like traveling. I do travel, so this year due to COVID maybe less, but yeah, our Goa plan is also, it's like the conference is online now, so we may not be going to Goa, but let's see, it may happen some other month, not in March. But yeah, so yeah, I'm looking forward for you guys what you are doing in 2021, and what you think about my plan, and if you have some suggestions for me, yeah, you are welcome. Thank you so much for watching this video for this long, and yeah, please expect some more videos from me in this year. Thank you.